Buckle up and prepare to venture into a world of vehicles beyond the typical truck and SUV. In this video, we are going to take an in-depth look at the ultimate off-road vehicles you never knew existed. These are vehicles engineered to tackle desert, mountains, and snow, which would be an unthinkable task for most automobiles. Therefore, if you are an off-road nut or simply an individual who appreciates extreme engineering, you are sure to be surprised by the impossible vehicles shown in this video. Number 1. Rock Racer. The Rock Racer is a high-speed, powerful RC that will undoubtedly take the honor on the extreme terrain, keeping speed phenomenally high. Different from traditional rock crawlers, rock racers do emphasize velocity and power. For instance, most of these work with brushless motors with high voltage support, like 3 SLI-PO batteries. Consequently, they are designed for punishment with a reinforced chassis, high-strength steel drive shafts, and durable elements that absorb hard landings and big jumps. This is where the versatility comes in. Selectable 2-wheel drive / 4-wheel drive modes, and locking differentials for sure-footed traction on rocks, dirt, and sand. Advanced suspension systems, including 4-link front suspension and trailing arms, aid the vehicle's ability to absorb impacts and maintain stability. Many of these models also boast realistic scale details, like detailed bodies, working lights, and interior elements, marrying performance to visual authenticity. Number 2. Rias the Rias, which also goes by the formal name PSA Bronto Marsh. One Bronto Rias is a special Russian terrain vehicle manufactured by PSA Bronto, a company established through a team at Avtovaz, a renowned automotive and car parts manufacturer in Russia. It's a swamp buggy, which makes it superb at working in swamps, snow, tundra, and sand dunes, areas in which most vehicles would be rendered useless. The series, Marsh 1, also including the Rias, made a sensation show at the Moscow Auto Show back in 1995, a fact that made its delivery to distant areas, including Surgut and Nadim, a reality. After that, in 2002, more than 30 vehicles were purchased by the government of Yakutia. Number 3. C63 Scooter. The C63 Scooter is an extreme off-road electric scooter that is designed for high speed, powerful performance, and adaptability. This scooter comes equipped with 2 powerful 1,200-watt brushless motors with a 20.8 ampere-hour removable lithium battery that can reach top speeds of 37 miles per hour, a range of 37+ miles, and the ability to climb an angle of 30 degrees. Built for rugged terrain, features include an intricate 4-level suspension system, 11-inch self-healing and tubeless tires, and mechanical dual discs with EABS for rapid stopping capabilities. Additional features include bright LED lights for increased visibility in low-light conditions. The scooter is compatible with smart control functionality via the Tuya app and LCD display that enables the user to set preferences for speed and operational parameters. The scooter is completely versatile with collapsible handles, a wide platform with a 300-pound weight capacity that can be used for the toughest terrain as well as for commuting through the city environment. Number 4. Velocicoaster. The Velocicoaster is a world-class, launched roller coaster that reaches a speed of 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour. It is a thrilling ride in the Jurassic World area, built by Intamin. The ride starts off with 2 launches, the first propelling riders from 0 to 50 miles per hour in seconds, followed by a second launch that propels riders to reach their top speed. It climbs a 155-foot top hat, goes through 4 inversions, as well as a signature Mosasaurus roll over a lagoon, a 100-foot 0G stall, and a total route distance of over 4,700 feet of track that gives riders endless action. The height requirement to ride this roller coaster is 51 inches, and riders also get access to express pass, single rider lines, as well as lockers. Number 5. Deacia Sandrides. The Deacia Sandrides is a purpose-built desert racing machine designed to dominate extreme off-road competitions. Power comes in the form of a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 producing 360 brake horsepower and 539 Nm of torque, paired with a 4x4 system and a 6-speed sequential gearbox. Riding on a set of massive 37-inch BF Goodrich tires, it uses a lightweight tubular steel chassis, also reinforced and double wishbone suspension that offers 350mm of travel front and rear for brutal terrain. This sand-eating monster treads has a carbon fiber body that is fully optimized for improved aerodynamics, reduced drag, improved cooling, and reduced infrared temperature accumulation through special paints. Eco-smart engineering allows it to run on synthetic fuel supplied by Aramco. Driver-focused innovations enhance visibility, comfort, and safety, while practical features enable rapid in-race repairs in the harsh desert environment. Number 6. CF Moto Oforce 1000 MV. The CF Moto Oforce 1000 MV is an off-road machine designed for extreme off-road excursions. It comes with a powerful engine of 963 cubic centimeters V-twin, liquid-cooled, with an output of 90 horsepower and 85 Newton-meter torque, which is controlled by Bosch EFI. To tackle challenging off-road routes, the Oforce 1000 MV comes with high-clearance independent suspension, which has 185mm of travel in the front and 236mm in the rear. This is supported by precision-adjustable piggyback gas shocks. To increase off-road stability, the Oforce 1000 MV comes with 334mm ground clearance and 14-inch beadlock alloy wheels. To improve the off-road riding capability of the Oforce 1000 MV, the off-road ATV comes with 4-wheel hydraulic disc brakes. The Oforce 1000 MV off-road ATV comes in the following dimensions: 2,491 by 1,370 by 1,390mm. It has the capacity to carry up to 195 kilograms of weight. Also, the Oforce 1000 MV comes with a fuel tank capacity of 26 liters. Number 7. North Hunter Aku. The North Hunter Aku features a powerful, competent SUV that aims to integrate superior performance and superior comfort features. It features a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine that churns out 168 horsepower and PWD 410 Newton-meter torque, which comes connected to an 8-speed smooth gear transmission. Apart from that, various modes that help to adapt to various conditions, sport, eco, and snow, make it a capable vehicle in adapting to various environments. Being specially designed for adventures, its features include a powerful 4x4 system, rear locking differential, and variable ground clearance that goes from 240 to 310mm, which enables it to be a competent off-road vehicle as well. On the inside, features include advanced tech support, a 10.4 inches screen, 7 inches display driver cluster, ambient lighting system that supports 64 colors, and electronic, heated, and cooled leather-equipped front seats. Number 8. Venom LS Kora. The Venom LS Kora is a versatile and rugged UTV that is perfectly suited for adventures and tasks alike. With an electric motor output of 5 kW, it is driven by an advanced 105 ampere-hour premium lithium battery, ensuring noise-free but highly efficient operation, especially during off-road adventures. With safety in mind, it includes safety features such as a roll cage, bucket seats with 3-point harnesses, and a convenient rear cargo bed area where users can temporarily store their belongings and gear. On rugged terrains, the LS Kora is ideal with its lifted suspension available, brush guards, and fender flares, while on-road safety is ensured with 4-wheel hydraulic discs and regenerative braking systems. An onboard charger is also available, ensuring it is fully ready for any entire day adventure outing. Number 9. Elix Sport. The Elix Sport snowmobile has been made with state-of-the-art features to make it have high performance and be environmentally sustainable. It has a 72-volt Emax motor and a peak power of 15 kilowatt, 20 horsepower, which enables it to move at a speed of 80 km/h and has a range of 50 km on a single charge. However, its own specially designed batteries, known as Elix lithium batteries, have capacities ranging from 52 ampere-hour to 72 ampere-hour and feature quick swap and self-heating features to ensure it performs exceptionally well in cold climates. It has been designed to have high adaptability and perform well in well-groomed trails and deep snow, known as powder, and features a smooth and noise-free operation. Number 10. Conquest Pro 950. The Conquest Pro 950 is a high-performance all-terrain vehicle designed for those who want a lot of power, strength, and versatility. The vehicle has a powerful 950 cubic centimeter engine, which delivers a lot of torque and horsepower, as well as a strong transmission system. The Conquest Pro 950 is built with a strong framework, which provides the necessary strength and stability. Furthermore, the suspension of the vehicle helps it navigate through rocks, mire, and sand easily. The Conquest Pro 950 has all the required safety measures, such as hydraulic disc brakes, which assist the vehicle in braking, no matter what the terrain. The all-terrain vehicle comes with other necessary amenities, such as a large cargo carrier, comfortable seating, as well as adjustable controls. Number 11. Panther B. The Panther tank, also named Panzer B, was a medium-sized German tank that was first put to battle in the Eastern Front during World War II, and later in Italy, France, Belgium, and Holland. Based on the design to counter the Soviet T-34 tanks, this battle vehicle made a perfect combination of mobility, firepower, and armor protection. Equipped with a 7.5 centimeter kilowatts 42L per 70 high-velocity gun and a coaxial MG-34 machine gun, this tank had the capability to knock out any Allied and Soviet tanks even from a long distance. The angled armor design of this tank, along with an 80mm thick front glacis plate designed at a slant of 55 degrees, gave excellent protection to the driver and kept this armor quite light in weight. With a 5-man crew and an advanced communication system in an interleaved suspension system and powered by a Maybach HL 210 or HL 230 V12 engine and a 7-speed ZF manual gearbox, about 6,000 units were manufactured. Number 12. Medv Pro. The Medv Pro is a versatile amphibious vehicle that is specifically engineered for use in extreme environments. The most distinctive aspect about it is its ability to float on or cross bodies of water. The specialized all-wheel drive platform on which it is built, complete with low-pressure tires, allows it to drive easily over mud, snow, rock, or sand that would bring regular vehicles to a standstill. It has room for 6 passengers, as well as ample cargo capacity, making it a versatile vehicle that combines functionality with adventure. With its powerful engine, it performs well on all terrains. It has been designed for use in adverse environments, such as for outdoor adventures or rescue operations. Number 13. Dross. The Dross is a highly versatile amphibious vehicle that has been developed for harsh climates and challenging missions. Its lightweight yet strong carbon fiber and Kevlar hull enables it to resist temperatures up to -50 degrees Celsius and stay unsinkable. The vehicle can hydroplane to reach 70 km/h, 43 miles per hour, in the water and 100 km/h, 62 miles per hour, in the terrain. The Dross's modularity enables the use of the vehicle for various tasks such as rescues, medical evac, fire brigade roles, as well as military missions like reconnaissance, special forces missions, and military logistics support. In addition to the vehicle, the name Dross is linked to an active defense system that was used within the USSR's tanks, the T-55AD. Number 14. LC-130. The LC-130 is a special operations version of the C-130 Hercules, specifically engineered for extreme cold weather operations in the Arctic and Antarctic. The main users of this aircraft are primarily the US Air Force and the National Science Foundation. It's specifically designed for landing on normal runway surfaces and on snow or ice-covered surfaces because of its retractable ski landing gear. For heavy snow takeoffs, the aircraft can be fitted with rocket-assisted takeoff roto kits. Only 10 of these aircraft remains in service, all of which are government-controlled to ensure that they serve only for polar research functions. It must be noted that Lockheed developed commercial C-130 models like the L-100 Hercules, while the LC-130 remains a military workhorse for icy environments. Number 15. Trom 20. The Trom 20 is a high-performance cross-country vehicle intended to substitute conventional tracked vehicles and provide superior mobility. The vehicle's novel design enables it to move easily in extreme environments such as sand, snow, and mire, along with other challenging terrain. It has amphibious capabilities and can float in water due to its sealed areas and high displacement tires, in addition to its available hydraulic propeller drives for accelerated movement in water. It has 16 specialized tires and a straight transfer system to provide superior mobility and support to its roller drive system throughout its operation. It has a carrying capacity of up to 1.5 tons to be used in movement of cargo and other heavy equipment over challenging terrain, thus being useful in exploration and rescue missions, as well as in industries located in such areas. Thus ends our exploration of the ultimate off-road vehicles that you never knew existed. With such off-road behemoths, there are certainly no bounds to the adventure that one can experience. If you enjoyed the journey, like the video, subscribe for more jaw-dropping vehicles, and share with us which off-road giant amazed you the most.